Hello guys, in this class we will discuss 3 different word problems of linear equations with real-life examples. So stay connected with us till the end. Problem 1. If a number is tripled and the result is increased by 5, we get 44. Find the number. Let's solve step by step. Let the number equals x. Triple of a number equals 3x. So, 3x plus 5 equals 44. Subtract 5 from both sides. 3x equals 44 minus 5, we get 3x equals 39. Now divide both sides by 3. X equals 39 by 3. So the final answer is 13. Next, twice a number added to half of itself equals 20. Find the number. Twice of number equals 2x. Half itself equals x upon 2. So, 2x plus x upon 2 is equals 20. Multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate the fraction. We get 4x plus x equals 40. 5x equals 40. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 40 by 5. The solution is x equals 8. Next, thrice a number is decreased by 5 exceed twice the number by a unit. Find the number. Let the number equals x. Thrice of a number is decreased by 5 equals 3x5. Exceed by twice the number equals 2x. So, 3x5 equals 2x plus 1. Combine the like terms in order, we get 3x 2x equals 5 plus 1. X equals 6. This is final answer. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Keep watching the channel for more learning.